Hello, part 29 of this tutorial looks at creating progress indicators. We have done a couple of things here. Each time a drawer item is clicked, we show its title. We did this by binding a click event to the drawer list item. Our pages have transitions also. The file inputs can get a single or multiple files. When a single file is selected, we get the file details, like date, size, etc. For multiple files, we log the list of files returned. We have done this by trapping the change event of the file input. For each of the files selected, we get more details about it. We also created the progress indicators. These are bound to vModels to show the values. The code to add the progress indicators is straightforward and simple. You give it the element ID, the state, the color. We use two-way binding to show a caption inside the circular progress. We then set the state by initializing each variable with a value. For the drawer click event, we have added a click event that is linked to each list view item. This receives whatever attribute is bound to the key of each item. In this case, we bound a title to the key. With the files, we have bound a change event to each element. For multiple files, this returns the list of files, whilst when the status is not multiple we return a single object. When change is fired, the past variable is a file list object. We get this and log it to the console. Same with the single file selection. We retrieve it and pass a method to it to read our file details and log those two to the console. The page transitions are linked to available transitions on the Vuetify web page. The API lists some transitions that one can use. These apply to most elements by specifying the transition attribute. We linked these to the parent container of the router view in the baseline layout. That is the beauty of tutorial 29.